Now in front of us we have theorem 1.4 of chapter 1, that root 2 is irrational. So we will take opposite or contrary of root 2, that is root 2 is rational. If root 2 is rational, then it can be written in form of p by q. Here denominator or b is not equal to 0, and we will assume that a and b are co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers are the numbers having only one as a common factor. Okay, now rearrange the equation. Root 2b is equal to a. Now squaring both sides. Root 2 becomes 2, b square is equal to a square. Here you can see that 2 divides a square. 2 divides a square. By theorem 1.3, you can see if 2 divides a square, then 2 divides a. So here you can also see that 2 is a factor of a. You can say that 2 is factor of a, and we can write then a is equal to 2c. Here c is any positive integer, and put this value of a in first equation. Write this equation as first. Okay, and put this value in above equation. Now 2b square is equal to a 2c whole square. Now 2b square is equal to 4c square. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. b square is equal to 2c square. And from there you can see that from this side you can see that 2 divides b square. 2 divides b square. But by theorem 1.3, if 2 divides b square, then 2 divides b. Write this equation number 2, and from this you can say that 2 is a factor of b. But we take a and b are the co-prime numbers, so a contradiction arises. And this contradiction arises because we take root 2 as a rational number, and that is we have to prove. So how we will write this? From first and second, a and b have 2 as a common factor, and this contradicts the fact that a and b are co-prime. And this contradiction arises because of our wrong assumption. This contradiction has arisen because of our wrong assumption. That root 2 is rational, and that is we have to prove. So we conclude that root 2 is irrational. Thank you.
If you find my video useful, for more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel. Go to my website www.hometuitionlive.com. Thank you. Keep learning. Stay home. Stay safe.